If you want to clean up an image in Photoshop by removing text, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll show you a simple, beginner-friendly way to remove text from an image using Photoshop. And the best part is that it's fast, easy, and works really well for most basic text removals. This is perfect if you need to fix a screenshot, tidy up a photo, or erase unwanted words without damaging the rest of the image. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more Photoshop tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your image in Photoshop. Once your file is loaded, take a look at the left toolbar and select either the Lasso tool, which you can use with the shortcut L, or the Rectangular Marquee Tool, which you can use with the shortcut M. Both tools work well, but the one you choose depends on the shape of the text you want to remove. If the text is in a simple block, the Rectangular Marquee is great. If the text is uneven or curved, the Lasso tool gives you a little more control. Now carefully draw a loose selection around the text you want to remove. The key here is not to select too tightly. Leave a tiny bit of breathing room around the letters because Photoshop needs a little extra space to analyze the surrounding area and blend the fill naturally. Try to make your selection cover the full text area without cutting too close to the edges. The better your selection, the more natural the result usually looks. Once the text is selected, go up to the top menu bar and click Edit, then choose Fill. You can also use the shortcut Shift plus F5, which is a faster way to open the same fill dialog box. When the fill window appears, look for the Contents drop-down menu and change it to Content Aware. This is the part that tells Photoshop to intelligently replace the selected area by using nearby pixels from the image. After that, make sure the mode is set to normal and the opacity is set to 100%. These settings help Photoshop apply the fill correctly without any unwanted transparency or blending issues. Once everything looks right, click OK and let Photoshop do the work. In just a moment, it will analyze the surrounding area and remove the text from your image. Depending on your image, Photoshop may do a really clean job right away, or you might need to repeat the process on a smaller section if the text is over a busy background. If that happens, just make another selection and run Content Aware. Fill again until the area looks smooth. This method works especially well on simple backgrounds like skies, walls, paper, and solid textures. When you're happy with the result, press Ctrl plus D on your keyboard to deselect and drop the selection lines. That removes the marching ants around your edit and lets you see the cleaned up image clearly. And just like that, you've removed text from an image in Photoshop using a quick, content-aware method. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more easy Photoshop tips, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.